Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your Gmail account. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So what you need to do is open any Google application such as Gmail or maybe Google itself and tap on your profile icon at the top right, and now tap on this Google account button. It takes you to the account management system. Now you need to tap on this looking glass icon and type in delete. Now you have two options: delete a Google service or delete your Google account. So let's tap on this option first, delete a Google service. You need to unlock your screen to verify it's you, or try another way, receive SMS or receive 2FA codes from your application. So from here you can delete Google services one by one. You can delete Gmail only or YouTube only and so on. But if you go back and tap on delete your Google account, you can delete your whole account and delete everything you have in Google. Files on Google Drive, meetings in calendar, YouTube watch history, Gmail, messages and so on. Don't forget to download your important data. And let me just delete the account I don't need anymore. So you can switch accounts over here. Once again, verify it's you. Now scroll all the way down, check these check marks. Don't forget, you want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Now tap on delete account. And now you have this message: if you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. I don't know how much time is it, but anyway, now you know how to delete your Google account or Gmail account and so on. Guys, hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.